Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your bank account and credit card to Quickbooks online. Firstly, open the Quickbooks app on your desktop. So now all you have to do is click on your profile at the top right corner and tap on Manage Your Intuit account. In your Intuit dashboard, click on Payment Methods from the left sidebar menu. Here you can manage your payment methods across all your Intuit products. This is where you input your payment info. You can save the credit cards and accounts you would like to pay with. Click on Add Payment Method. Now what you need to do is add a new payment method. It should be a credit card or bank transfer, then select your country. Enter your card information, expiration date, CVV, and your name on the card. After that, enter your billing address, zip code, city, and state. Finally, submit your card information. Once you click on submit, your new payment method will be added. That is how you can connect your bank account and credit card to Quickbooks online. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.